Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today we're making that slightly sweet, nutty Sesame Hallow bread. I'm going to use a stand mixer today. If you don't have one, you can do this by hand. I'm starting with 2 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you can add more. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast or active dry yeast. Today I'm using instant dry. Mixing everything together before I assemble the dough hook. Turn the mixer on low and slowly add in 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. That water is just slightly warmer than your body temperature. Turn the mixer up into medium and let it knead for about 5 minutes. The dough will pull away from the side. It will be soft but not tacky. If you knead by hand, it will take you 10 to 15 minutes. Turn the dough out onto a greased bowl and cover with a clean kitchen towel. Let it rise for about an hour or until it doubles in size. Punch the dough down to release that gas and turn onto a floured surface. Knead for another minute more. And cut your dough into about 8 pieces. And we want to take those cut pieces of dough and press them into a bowl filled with sesame seed, covering both sides with sesame seeds. And use a rolling pin and roll the disc out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Once they're all rolled out, we want to cover them with our clean kitchen towel and let them rest for another 20 minutes or so. And that will give us some time to heat up our oil to about 350 degrees. Carefully add the dough into the fryer. If you have a bigger fryer, you can fry more than one, but try not to overcrowd it. Let it fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown. Make sure to turn it frequently because that's what helps it puff up. Once it's nice and golden brown, remove it from the oil with a slotted spoon and place on paper towels. You can stuff these with your favorite fillings or just enjoy them as is with your morning coffee. Hope you give these a try. For this recipe and more, visit my website craftedcrumbs.com.